Our Milky Way galaxy is a majestic spiral of stars, gas, and dust. It stretches across the night sky, a luminous band that has inspired wonder and curiosity for millennia. This grand structure is not just a collection of stars, but a dynamic, ever-evolving system that holds the secrets of our cosmic origins. It's so vast that light itself takes 100,000 years to cross it. To put that into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, the fastest speed in the universe, it would still take you 100 millennia to traverse from one end of our galaxy to the other. This immense scale is almost beyond human comprehension. Imagine 100,000 years for a single beam of light to travel from one end to the other. This journey would span the entire history of human civilization many times over. From the dawn of humanity to the present day, and far beyond into the future, this single beam of light would continue its relentless journey across the galaxy. Within this vast cosmic island, billions upon billions of stars twinkle like celestial fireflies. Each star is a distant sun, some much larger and more luminous than our own. These stars are scattered across the galaxy, forming intricate patterns and clusters that astronomers study to understand the structure and evolution of the Milky Way. Each one a sun, potentially with its own family of planets. These planetary systems can be incredibly diverse, with gas giants, rocky worlds, and even planets that might harbor liquid water. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of the universe, revealing that planets are common and that many stars host their own unique systems. We live on a small, rocky planet orbiting one such star, our Sun. Our solar system is just one of many in the Milky Way, but it holds a special place in our hearts as our home. From the vantage point of Earth, we look out into the cosmos and see the Milky Way as a faint, glowing band stretching across the sky. From our vantage point, we gaze out at this cosmic tapestry and wonder, are we alone? The question of whether life exists elsewhere in the galaxy has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike for generations. With each new discovery, we come closer to understanding our place in the universe and the potential for life beyond Earth. Are there other planets out there, perhaps harboring life? The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting and challenging endeavors in modern science. By studying exoplanets and their atmospheres, scientists hope to find signs of life such as the presence of water, oxygen, or other biosignatures. The answer, it seems, might be more complex than we ever imagined. The diversity of planetary systems and the vast distances between stars make the search for life a daunting task. Yet, with each new discovery, we learn more about the conditions that might support life and the potential for habitable worlds in our galaxy. Because within the Milky Way, there might be a hidden population of planets, worlds that have been lost in the darkness of space. These rogue planets, which do not orbit any star, drift through the galaxy in perpetual night. Their existence challenges our understanding of planetary formation and the dynamics of our galaxy. These are the rogue planets, adrift between the stars, and their stories are just beginning to be told. As our technology advances, we may one day be able to detect and study these mysterious worlds, uncovering their secrets and expanding our knowledge of the universe. The Milky Way, with all its wonders and mysteries, continues to inspire and challenge us, driving our quest for discovery and understanding. Gazing up at the night sky, it's easy to feel small. The vast expanse above us, dotted with countless stars, stretches beyond our imagination. Each point of light represents a distant sun, a beacon of energy and potential. As we stand here on Earth, we are but a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the universe. The sheer number of stars is overwhelming. In every direction, stars of different sizes and colors twinkle, each with its own story. Some are young and vibrant, burning brightly, while others are ancient, nearing the end of their life cycle. The diversity and abundance of these celestial bodies are truly staggering. But what we see with the naked eye is just a tiny fraction of the stars that actually exist in the Milky Way. Our galaxy, a sprawling collection of stars, gas, and dust, is home to hundreds of billions of stars. Many of these stars are clustered together in groups, forming intricate patterns and structures that are both beautiful and complex. Our galaxy is teeming with them, hundreds of billions, each with the potential to host its own planetary system. These systems can vary greatly, with some stars having multiple planets orbiting them, while others may have none. The possibilities are endless, and each system holds the potential for discovery and wonder. Thinking about these numbers can make your head spin. The sheer scale of the universe is mind-boggling, It's difficult to comprehend the vast distances and the immense number of stars and planets that exist, yet, this vastness also fills us with a sense of curiosity and a desire to explore and understand more. With so many stars, the possibility of planets, even planets like Earth, seems incredibly high. Scientists estimate that there could be billions of Earth-like planets in our galaxy alone. These planets, located in the habitable zone of their stars, could potentially support life as we know it. The search for these planets is one of the most exciting and challenging endeavors in modern astronomy. But finding these planets is a challenge. The vast distances and the faintness of these distant worlds make them difficult to detect. Astronomers use a variety of techniques and instruments to search for these elusive planets, from ground-based telescopes to space-based observatories. Each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the true nature of our universe. They are small, faint, and overshadowed by the brilliant light of their parent stars. The light from these stars can easily drown out the faint signals from the planets, making them difficult to detect. It's like trying to hear a whisper in a crowded room, or spotting a firefly next to a spotlight. It's like trying to spot a firefly next to a spotlight. The challenge is immense, but so is the reward. Each new planet discovered is a new world to explore, a new piece of the cosmic puzzle. These discoveries help us understand the formation and evolution of planetary systems, and they bring us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Yet, despite the difficulty, astronomers have made incredible strides in discovering these hidden worlds. With each new discovery, we learn more about the diversity and complexity of planetary systems. The excitement and joy of these discoveries are palpable, as each new planet brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The journey of exploration continues, and the sea of stars holds many more secrets waiting to be uncovered. For a long time we thought planets could only exist in orbit around a star, but now we know that's not entirely true. Out there, drifting through the vast emptiness of interstellar space, are rogue planets. These are worlds without a sun, cast out from their birthplace, fated to wander the galaxy alone. How do planets become rogue? It's a dramatic story of cosmic chaos. During the formation of a star system, gravitational interactions between young planets can be like a game of cosmic billiards. Sometimes a planet gets knocked off course, flung out of its system to become a lonely wanderer. Imagine a young solar system forming, a swirling disk of gas and dust. Planets are born from this chaos, pulling in material and growing larger, but these young planets can also be bullies. As they grow, their gravitational pull can disrupt the orbits of their siblings. Sometimes, these gravitational interactions become so strong that a planet gets ejected from the system entirely. It's a cosmic game of pinball, with planets ricocheting off each other until one gets flung out into the darkness. These ejected worlds become rogue planets, destined to wander the galaxy alone. Without a sun to warm them, rogue planets are often imagined as dark, frozen wastelands. These planets, which have been ejected from their original star systems, drift through the galaxy in perpetual night. The absence of a nearby star means they lack the primary source of energy that sustains life on Earth. The surface temperatures on these planets can plummet to extremes, making them seem inhospitable at first glance. But could life, even in the absence of sunlight, find a way to exist on these wandering worlds? Scientists have begun to explore this intriguing possibility. Life as we know it relies heavily on sunlight for photosynthesis, but there are organisms on Earth that thrive in complete darkness. These extremophiles found in the deep ocean or underground draw energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight. Could similar life forms exist on rogue planets? It's a question that sparks the imagination. The vastness of the Milky Way galaxy, with its billions of stars and even more planets, suggests that the conditions for life might be more varied than we can currently comprehend. The discovery of extremophiles on Earth has expanded our understanding of where life can exist, pushing the boundaries of our search for extraterrestrial life. Perhaps, deep beneath the frozen surface of a rogue planet, there could be an ocean kept liquid by internal heat. This heat could come from the planet's core, generated by the decay of radioactive elements or residual heat from its formation. Such subsurface oceans might be insulated by a thick layer of ice, protecting them from the frigid vacuum of space. In these hidden oceans, life could potentially find a refuge. Volcanic vents could provide the energy needed for life to arise, much like the ecosystems found in the depths of our own oceans. On Earth, hydrothermal vents teem with life despite the absence of sunlight. These ecosystems rely on chemosynthesis, where bacteria convert chemicals from the vents into energy. If similar vents exist on rogue planets, they could create pockets of habitability, offering the necessary conditions for life to develop and sustain itself. It's a tantalizing possibility, a reminder that life, in its many forms, might find a way to exist even in the most unexpected places. The search for life on rogue planets challenges our understanding of biology and the resilience of life. It encourages us to look beyond the traditional habitable zones and consider the myriad ways life might adapt to extreme environments. As we continue to explore the cosmos, the potential for discovering life in the most unlikely of places remains one of the most exciting prospects in the field of astrobiology.